I'm going to show you how to set up a chafing dish for buffet service. There are a lot of different styles of chafing dishes on the market, but they all function basically the same. I'm going to walk you through setting up a traditional chafer. Let me take you through the components. First is the rack or frame. This is where all the parts of the chafing dish will come together. These are the fuel holders. You need a large pitcher for pouring water into your water pan. This is the water pan, the food pans, and of course the fuel. Very important to the success of any buffet, this is Sterno Safe Heat 4-hour chafing fuel with power pad. Let's set up our buffet. For safety's sake, have your chafing dishes fully assembled and in the place where your service is happening. First up, let's place our chafing fuel holders. Place open fuel cans in the holders. Place tops on the holders. Next, place the water pan in the rack. Pour about 1 1/4 inches of very hot water into the pan. It's important that you use hot water at the start. This will help ensure the food is at a safe and ideal temperature as soon as it's placed in the chafer. Light the fuel with the stick lighter. And finally, place your hot food in the water pan. Remember, a chafing dish is not for cooking food, but for keeping it at an ideal serving temperature. That's food that's above 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you're ready for service. When service is ended, extinguish the fuel, and now you're ready to tear down. Let's review. Have all your elements ready before service begins. Set up your chafing dish frame in your serving location. Start with hot water in the water pan. Keep food hot, above 140 degrees, and make sure you're using the proper chafing fuel for your event. For more information and to get your free safety posters, visit sterno.com.